Hello friends, today topic is carbohydrate. We will discuss about the definition, classification, their functions and about monosaccharide in this session. So let's start. Friends, carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxy ketone compounds that can be hydrolyzed to them. The name carbohydrate means a hydrate of carbon. The general formula of carbohydrate is CnH2ON. For example, glucose is C6H12O6. Here you can see hydroxy group structure, aldehyde group structure and keto group structure. Carbohydrate usually distributed in plants and animals. They have important structural and metabolic roles. Carbohydrates are most abundant biomolecule on Earth. Carbohydrates are also known as saccharide. Carbohydrates are produced by green plants during photosynthesis. Next point is functions of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is a main source of energy, act as storage food also, functions as framework in body, work as anticoagulant like heparin, help in hormone formation, essential for oxidation of fats, provide carbon for synthesis of other molecules. Classification of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are classified into four parts: monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Example is also we can see monosaccharide examples are glucose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharide sucrose, lactose, maltose. Oligosaccharide are raffinose. Polysaccharide starch, glycogen and cellulose. Now we will discuss about monosaccharide. Monosaccharides have single saccharide unit, cannot hydrolyze further into smaller carbohydrate. These are composed of 3 to 7 carbon atoms, classified as per their carbon atoms as triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose and heptose. Pentose and hexose are most common sugars. It's important as energy source. Monosaccharides are important for synthesis of large molecules also. Simplest monosaccharide are triose, example glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. Glucose, fructose, mannose and galactose are hexose. Glucose is universal sugar. Glucose is also known as dextrose or grape sugar or corn sugar. Fructose is most common form of sugar in fruits. Fructose is the sweetest naturally occurring sugar, also known as levulose. Monosaccharides, also known as reducing sugar, because these sugars have free aldehyde or ketone groups. Importance of pentose sugar. D-ribose. It's important for structural elements of nucleic acid and coenzymes like ATP, NAD, NADP and flavoprotein. Next is D-ribulose. It is important for pentose phosphate pathway. D-arabinose and D-xylose are constitute of glycoprotein. D-lactose and xylulose are constitute of a lysoflavin. Important hexose sugar are D-glucose, which is most important sugar for human bodies. D-fructose can be changed to glucose in liver and so used in the body. Next, D-galactose constitute of glycolipid and glycoproteins. D-mannose constitute of many glycoproteins. Now some properties of monosaccharide are here. First is D and L isomerism. D and L series of sugar determined by orientation of H group and OH group of carbon atom adjacent to the terminal primary alcohol carbon. If OH group is on this carbon is on right side is D isomer. If it is on left side then it will be L isomer. Next is Mutter rotation. The change in optical rotation because of the change in the equilibrium between two anomers when the corresponding stereocenter is converted. Cyclic sugar shows Mutter rotation as alpha and beta anomeric forms interconverts. For example, if a solution of beta glucopyranose is dissolved in water, its specific optical rotation will be plus 18.7. Over time, some of the beta D glucopyranose will undergo Mutter rotation to become alpha D glucopyranose, which has a optical rotation of plus 112. The rotation of solution will increase from plus 18.7 to an equilibrium value of plus 52.7 as some of the beta forms is converted to the alpha forms. Pyranose and furanose ring structure. The stable ring structure of monosaccharide are like the ring structure of also pyrrone or furan. For a glucose in solution, more than 99% is in pyranose form. Pyrrone is a 6-member ring structure and furan is a 5-member ring structure. Alpha and beta anomers. Cyclization of sugar create an anomeric carbon generating alpha and beta configuration of the sugar. These are referred as anomers of each other, but alpha and beta are not the mirror image. Ring structure of aldose is hemiacetyl and ring structure of ketose is hemiketyl. In solution, cyclic structure is retained but isomerism occurs only around carbon number 1. It gives a mixture of alpha glucopyranose which is 38% and beta glucopyranose which is 62%. Less than 0.3% is represented by alpha and beta anomers of glucofuranose. Next is epimers. Epimers are isomers differing as a result of variation in configuration of the OH and H on carbon atom. Number 2, 3 and 4 of glucose are known as epimers. Biologically, the most important epimers of glucose are mannose and galactose, formed by epimerization at carbon number 2 and 4 respectively. Aldose and ketose isomerism. Fructose has the same molecular formula as glucose but differs in its structural formula as fructose has a potential ketone group in position number 2, which is anomeric carbon of fructose, whereas glucose has a potential aldehyde group in position number 1. List of common aldose like triose is glyceraldehyde, tetrose is erythrose and threose, pentose sugars are ribose, arabinose, lyxose and xylose. Hexose sugar are allose, ultrose, glucose, mannose, glucose, iodose, galactose and talose. These are the structure of aldose sugars. Next is list of common ketones. Triose is dihydroxyacetone, tetrose sugar is erythrulose, pentose sugar is ribulose and xylulose, hexose sugar is pesicose, fructose, sorbose and tagatose. These are the structure of keto sugars. So, thank you.